Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Eli. Come to you guys again with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to brush your 360 waves. Now, and brushing 360 waves is not hard, but if you're a beginner, you sometimes don't know where to start. So I'm going to show you guys today. You guys what I'm working with. What you're gonna need for this is a brush, durag, and a mirror. Alright, first off, and what you guys need to know is when you're brushing 360 waves, you have 8 angles. Top is 1, left top is 2, left side is 3, left back is 4, back is 5, right back is 6, right is 7, and the right front is 8. You guys need to know that. It's very important to know that you have 8 angles when brushing. Alright, start off. I'm gonna start off with the top. When you come to the top, brush straight down. Yeah, my crown's a little messed up. When you start at the top, you brush straight down. You start from your crown because your hair grows from your crown. You start from your crown and you go straight down like this. It is very important to brush with a mirror so you can get your precise angles. Blind brushing, it's just not it. Always use a mirror. When brushing the top, you don't need to use a mirror. You just brush straight down. It's very simple. Now we're gonna come to the left side, front left. You just brush straight down. Start from the crown. You want to put a brush on an angle, and I like the two-tone brush. When the two-tone brush, the middle part, that lets me know where to put my brush, where to put it precisely. You want to put the middle of the brush right here. You start from your crown and you brush down. Left side, angle number 3. You want to brush on an angle. Some people, they brush straight down, and your waves, they don't go on a diagonal, they go straight, and then they start crashing. And you start ending up getting forks. So what you want to do is just brush straight down on a slant. You want to tilt the brush a little bit. Don't brush down, tilt it. Brush on the slant. It's very important that you go slow and focus on your brush angles. Don't brush too fast. Angle 4, your back left. Again, you want to start from the crown. If you have a two-tone brush or not, you just want to know to use the middle. Use the middle of the brush to angle it so it could be in the middle of your head, right here. And you brush straight down. Again, on a little slight angle. You just brush straight down. Slow and precise, especially if you're a beginner. Now figuring out your angles. We're gonna move on to the back at angle 5. Get the brush, same thing, start from your crown, and you brush down. Brushing 360 waves is very important. You want to brush, it's very important you brush at least on a minimum an hour a day. Brushing is very important. Angle 6, right back, same thing. Put tilted on the angle, brush straight down. And it's very important that you spend enough time on each side. Because if you don't, then you're gonna start having a weak side. As you can see, angle 7, which is my right side, and angle 8, my left front. These two sides are my weak sides. 1, 2. So angle 7 is the same thing. As you can see, I have a lot of forks, and that's from not brushing properly and blind brushing, because before I couldn't get it on my right side, so I used to brush down. That's why some ways going this way, just going straight, and some on the angle. Now I switched up my brushing angle, so I brush on the angle, so I could try and take all the waves that are crashing and let them flow with my pattern. Same thing on the right side, you should brush your right, same as your left. Brush your back, same as your front. Put your brush on an angle and just brush from your crown down. Last angle, angle 8. Right top, right front, right top. You want to brush. You want to use again the middle, where the soft part is. You want to start from your crown and brush straight down. Never switch up your brush angles, because that can create forks. And that is how you brush your 360 waves. It's very important to know your pattern and to know your hair. Know how much angles you have and how to brush it very precisely. It's very important to brush your 360 waves a lot. I'll say around an hour a day you brush. If you want to break it up to 2 30-minute sessions or 4 15-minute sessions, it's really just up to you. But I say a minimum an hour a day. If you want to be elite, an hour and a half, 2 hours, hey, even 3 hours. Some people do it. That's what it takes to be elite. So now, guys, I showed you guys how to brush. So brush with me.